What's good, YouTube? This your boy Finesse God, Diggity Diggity, J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all with another motherfucking unboxing. I don't know when I put this video out in comparison to my old videos, but like, I don't fuck with YouTube like that. It's just I be too busy for YouTube. But I'm gonna try to make it better, but expect me to go MIA for some maybe a few weeks in between drops or whatever, because I'm not gonna put out bullshit content just because. But with that out the way, we're gonna go ahead and get into these boxes. Happy holidays to everybody, or whatever you celebrate. Merry Christmas. If you don't, enjoy y'all days off. Hopefully you got one. Nah, man, we got 5 packages, right? One from H&M, Vans, and there's some other shit I really ain't supposed to have. So make sure you hit that thumbs up and the like button for me, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this shit. So this first one is the one I'm not supposed to have. Shouts out to God is Dope, because they fucked up and they sent it to me anyway. But it's a flannel, which ain't really big for shit or thick at all. I'm kind of upset I got this, but nah. Anyway, I'm not really supposed to have this shit because I guess when they dropped it on the website, it was they marked it down to I want to say $17, and it's really supposed to be $74. So they was canceling all the flannel orders, but I guess mine went out too fast for them to cancel, so it slipped through. And I mean, I ain't getting my 17 back. I got a hoodie or a flannel, but no shade, because clearly I rock with God is Dope. No shade, but I'd rather have that $17, if I'm being honest. Alright, so next pack, I don't know where this one's from. If I'm being real, I have no clue where it's from, so we just gonna go ahead and open this shit. I done bought a few things, and it's been 2 weeks since I've been able to get my packages, so a lot of this shit I might not know what it is, so let's go ahead and see. I have no clue what this is. Oh, so this right here is actually from True Religion. Shouts out True Religion, but it's their red velour hoodie, all red, velvet type hoodie. I'm not gonna open it. Retail price is $119. I got it bit for $40, I think. 40. Yeah, I think it was 40. Got it for $40. So I usually wouldn't buy True Religion shit. I'm not a real big True Religion fan. The only other True Religion thing I have is that varsity jacket that True Religion reposted me on their page for. Subtle flex, but you know what I'm saying. But I had to come up off this just because retail $119. I know the quality gotta go stupid, so get it for $40. That was the ultimate come up. Most of this shit is my Black Friday shit, and I'm just being able to get to it. So some of this shit probably sold out, some of it might not be. But if you look in the cop, just go to the websites. I'm pretty sure a lot of this shit on sale anyway. The hoodie actually caused a whole ass argument between me and Savage Beauty, cause I'm gonna do a God Box podcast episode on it. So yeah, just be on the lookout for that shit. I'm gonna do a whole episode on that shit. But nah, this next jump is from Sumn, and I'm in my feelings that I even had to buy these. Another pair of black cargos. The first pair of black cargos that I owned, right? I bought them from H&M, but because I've been going to the gym and my legs been getting bigger, the pants got smaller, so I wore them. I'm at work and them bitches just ripped on me. So I had to get some new black cargos, just because I only got like one pair of like black jeans right now, because the cargos was like dead. So I had to re-up on it. Next up, we're gonna say the shoes for last. We're gonna open this fat ass H&M package. So shouts out to H&M. Like I said, most of this stuff is just my Black Friday shopping shit. I haven't really been shopping since then, so just because I other shit to focus on, which is another reason y'all might not have videos for a minute. Just because I got other shit I want to focus on. Like, nigga, I'm 30 in 2022, so there's a lot of things I want to have done before I hit that mark. So if y'all don't have a lot of videos, just be patient with a nigga. Just know they coming when I get where I want to be at. So these next things were things from H&M. It's just three things. This first one is just this like gray and purple sweater. Just something a little slight, relaxed fit. I really like H&M's like sweaters and shit. Like, I really like how they feel and how they fit on me, especially since I've been hitting the gym like crazy. So yeah, it's just a sweater. And sorry if my energy low. Some shit. There's always some shit in it. So there's that. This next one is a Marvel Comics jump. I'm gonna take this out. Usually I wouldn't. But I'm gonna take this out because I want to show y'all the back of this shit. This shit go crazy. So it's the pink one. Some of y'all might have seen it, some of y'all might not have. But it's this jump right here, to where it's like the Marvel zombies and shit. You got Doctor Strange. I'm guessing that's Wolfman. I don't think that's not Luke Cage. I don't know who the fuck it is. Only person I really know on here is Ghost Rider, Doctor Strange, and I think Nightcrawler and Howard the Duck. I don't even know these other niggas, but I just thought the joint on the back, like, this graphic was like fire as hell, so I had to cop, especially since Marvel is like dropping bangers. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cop this before it sell out, because all the Marvel heads, if they see that shit gonna be gone. So I don't know if it's still on site, but I had to cop before it was gone. And this last thing, which is the reason why this fucking package was so fucking big, is I bought a little gray puffer jacket or whatever. I got this in a size 2X, and I'm glad, because this shit looks small as hell. So I went up a size. Usually I wear like extra large jackets, but because it was a puffer and I plan on wearing like hella shit under it, yeah, I had a gut feeling that I should go a size up, and that shit probably worked, because this shit looked a little medium-ish. So that's all for the clothes. Now this next jump I am excited about, but like I said, it's always some shit. So my excitement level is low. I really apologize. I really should have saved this video for later, but I'm dressed now. I'm probably not gonna get dressed later to do this shit, so I'd rather do it now while I got clothes on. How y'all day going? Mine was alright until I got here. But yeah, so this is a pair of Vans. This is like my, to include Savage Beauty jumps, I think this is like my third pair of customs, I think. But this pair right here, I didn't even think about until like, I was just on there creating shit, and then I just had this idea. Got a little card. I've read this before, so I'm not about to reread it. Just Vans and you. And it's just like a little thank you note on the back. Yeah, so I'm not about to read it, because like I said, this ain't like my first pair. That note comes with every pair of customs. But let's go ahead and get straight into these. And these joints crazy. I'm hyped. So I made oh damn, they gave me a pair of laces. That's dope. So So they gave me a pair of white laces with these, right? But I made the like the Travis Scotts. I made them so it's brown and black with like the pink laces. I don't know if I'm gonna do a review on them, but these materials go crazy. I didn't do like the normal pair of Vans. I did like, I guess the old school jump to where that little checkered ribbon is on the stripe, just because it felt more Travis Scott-esque. Like I got the eggnog, like off-white, rubber outsole. Like these jumps go crazy. I'm gonna be honest. These jumps go stupid. I know they're gonna look better when I lace them up or whatever. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about these ones. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, man, that's the end of this video. Like I said, I really apologize for the energy being low. It's just, oof. Watch the God Box episode. Whatever the next one is, watch that. And it explains a whole lot of shit. So, I'm your boy, the Finesse God. Eddie Dicky, JDicky92, man. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Like I said, sorry for the big ass gaps in between, like me posting vids and shit like that. But like I said, like I've been concentrating on my gym life and my health and all that shit. So YouTube kind of took a backseat, but I want to kind of pop off in like 2022. But like I said, I'm gonna get my shit together first before we just make that big ass leap to becoming like a full-time YouTuber type shit. So I'm your boy, the Finesse God. I know this one been kind of long. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, I can't apologize enough for the energy being low, but I wanted to open this shit while I was dressed, and I knew I wasn't gonna get dressed again no time soon. So I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy.